In this video I am showing you how you can remove icons from Facebook apps shortcut bar. So firstly what you need to do to remove icons from Facebook app shortcut bar, and it works on both Android and iOS, so you can watch this video until the end. So firstly you have to open your Facebook app, and in the Android you can see the shortcut bar in the top, and in the iOS you can see the shortcut bar in the bottom. So you can only remove the icons except the home and notification icon and the three horizontal lines icon, and except this you can remove these three icons. So to if you want to remove any of these icons, you can simply long hold the icons that you want to remove. Let's say I want to remove this groups icon. Then in the you can see this option in the most bottom, and here you can find the second last option, remove from shortcuts bar. Tap on this, and it is saying that are you sure that you want to remove groups from your shortcut bar. Tap on the remove, and now it will take some time, and here you can see groups from your shortcut bar is removed. So that's it, that how you can remove icons from Facebook app shortcut bar. So this is the first way, and the second way is you can simply tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. So open the Facebook and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here you have to tap on the settings and privacy, then tap on the settings, and here you have to scroll down to the preferences tab, and here you can find the shortcuts. Tap on the shortcuts and then tap on the shortcut bar, and here you can toggle off all the option that you want to not see on your home screen. So you can simply remove the groups, or you can also remove the friend request. So that's it, that how you can remove icons from Facebook app shortcut bar. So to any of the icon that you want to remove, you can simply toggle off the option by tapping on this toggle button, and now it is removed from your home screen. So that's it, that how you can remove icons from Facebook app shortcut bar. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.